Check this out. This is some knowledge right here for y'all that's trying to invest in stocks. Before you do so, of course, do your fundamental research. Check if they receiving cash flow. The receivables is more assets than liabilities. So on and so forth. Check out your fundamentals. See if the company is growing. And after doing that, the best thing to do, because in most cases, a lot of people purchase 100 shares each, 100 and up. So for instance, if you're buying Cody, so for people that's just getting into this and ain't trying to spend a lot of money and they trying to work from the bottom to the top, we'll just go into Cody, for example. Since Cody is $6.95, right? I want y'all to take this and keep looking back at this video. Share it, subscribe to the channel, let a friend know, talk about it and how important it is. This is called the wheel strategy. I'm going to make it very simple for y'all. Now, the wheel strategy, what you're going to do is you're going to trade. So let's say, for instance, if you want to buy this, some people just flat out buy a stock like the way it is and buy multiple shares of it. Why it's down, even though it's up right now, but this ain't its highest. It's just the highest of the day. But as of the yearly, it's not highest of the year. From the high of the year, it's been to $11 for the 52-week high, and the lowest been $5.90. So it's still down, which means there's a possibility it can go back up. So for those who don't know what Cody is, for instance, if you want to invest in it, is market, sell, distribution of branded beauty products. It operates through the following segments: America's EMEA and Asia Pacific, Segments America, so on and so forth. This is basically for prestige fragrances, skincare, cosmetics, mass color cosmetics, and so on and so forth. It's for the skincare and the body. Okay, now what you're going to do, let's say you say, I want to invest in this. I want to, because I know all the women, all the models, all the celebrities, they use the skincare, they do the makeup on the face, so on and so forth. You want to go into this trade, all right, and you want to trade options. So what you want to do is you want to do it the fastest possible, So instead of you buying the stock right then and there, wait till it come down. So for instance, you get paid while you're doing it. So for those who just starting out, it's at $6.94 now, the share price. So let's say you wanted to buy it at $6.81 instead of the $6.94. You see, you'll sell a put. Okay, you'll sell a put for the $6.81 break even. So if it go that low, you have to purchase 100 shares for that, which will be the $681. Okay. So you'll buy 100 shares of that if it does hit that. But mind you, they're going to give you that $51 buying this 7.5 put right here. They're going to give you that $51 on the right. So if it don't go under that 6.81, if it don't go under that and it stay above that, what's going to happen is you're going to keep that $51 and you'll repeat the process. But if it go under that 6.81 right here, what y'all see, so we talking about the 7.5 for those who lost, 7.5 put. Okay, if it go under that 6.81, you have to purchase that 600. You have to You have to purchase 100 of those for the $681. You have to do that. Okay, so you wanted to buy it anyway. You was going to buy it at $6.94. Where is that now? But it went under that. So now it went around a little bit under that, and you purchased it low. So now that you purchased it low, now you're going to sell a call. And when you sell a call, you're going to sell it at the highest. You're going to sell a call. Let's say it went that high. Let's say it stayed up or it went low. Actually, let's say it went low and you purchased at the 681. Now you want to sell it at the $5 call, for example. You want to sell it at the $5 call. So if it go back up at the $6.95, you have to sell it around that. You'll sell it at the $6.95 and you'll collect $1.90. Which is $190. For those who know, you got to be able to have 100 shares, which you'll have that. So you'll make the $190 plus you'll sell it and still make the profit from having it from 681. All right. If you don't understand, rewind the video and Listen to what I'm saying, and that's the will strategy. You'll repeat the process. You'll be selling puts, and then you'll be selling calls. All right? Peace.